Introducing this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica conversion van. Offering a Rolex automatic in-floor ramp and kneel system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and only 17,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your ramp will stow or deploy, and your kneel system will activate. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.